How are shaving razor blades produced? First, we come to the steel strip raw material storage facility. Here are neatly ranged steel strips of various gauges and models. The storage environment must be kept dry and well ventilated. Next, we come to the forming workshop. Various pressing machines are housed here. When the steel strip passes through the presses, it will be formed into blade contours. These unfinished blades undergoing processing are called blanks. At this stage, the blanks remain very pliable. Therefore, heat treatment is required. Now we come to the heat treatment facility. Our facility is equipped with 20 heat treatment production lines. The blades undergo preheating and quenching in 8 high-temperature furnaces. After quenching at 1100 degrees Celsius, they are rapidly cooled in a freezer at -85 degrees. At this point, the blades become very brittle. Thus, tempering is required to relieve internal stresses and enhance ductility. If the production involves customized blades, the logo would need to be printed on the blades. Machines will accurately imprint the brand onto blade surfaces. Next, we come to the finishing workshop. The grinding and polishing steps are completed at this location. 8 wheels grind, hone, and finish the blades as well as form edges. Subsequently, the blades undergo polishing to remove burrs and shear marks. The final step involves slicing the steel strip into separate blades. The quality inspector will conduct random sampling based on the standard. The inspection process includes both manual inspection and machine inspection. Blades meeting all criteria proceed to cleaning and drying. The blades are cleaned to remove any residual matter. Then the blades enter the plating facility. Here, chromium plating increases durability and corrosion resistance. Next, the blade surfaces receive a PTFE coating to enhance edge smoothness. Next, sintering at elevated temperatures. The blade is baked within furnaces at around 400 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. The inspector uses a high-power microscope to examine the blade edge for flatness and coating adhesion, and then tests the blade sharpness. Following, the blades undergo rust prevention treatment with oil immersion for approximately 15 minutes. Then entry into the automated packaging facility. When machinery completes all packaging functions, the blade is first wrapped with a sheet of wax paper, subsequently an overwrap printed with the trademark. Individual blades are then mechanically loaded into small boxes. Workers collate small boxes into middle boxes. The blade manufacturing process is now complete. Ultimately, finished blades enter the warehouse. The workers will perform the final packaging before shipment. The products will then be distributed nationwide by express and logistics companies. Meanwhile, the products can be shipped to all parts of the world via air, sea, and other transportation methods.